How to create Gmail email account. Greetings everyone. Today we will have another brief explanation on how to build a Gmail account from scratch. Without further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. We should hopefully be rather simple as we will start by opening a web browser. It doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to open Google Chrome for today's instruction here. As soon as your web browser is open, simply type Google to navigate to the Google homepage. Once there, left-click the sign-in icon located in the top right corner of the page. Now, you want to left-click on the area that says Create Account. So I will click on that one time at this point. You want to insert your name, insert a username here. So whatever you are using, it does not matter, only if it does not take you so long to input it. You click on next after wanting to enter a password here. Therefore, if you don't have a secure password, it will encourage you to enter a stronger one. Just be sure to save it somewhere on your personal notes. Then move on to the next step, which will require you to verify with a phone number. Let's take the phone number here. You might need to modify the country code on the left side. Put in your phone number now. You might need to agree to a few more term of service messages after it creates the account, but it should build the account. I believe that should have you set up by now. I think that's it. I hope you appreciate this tutorial, guys. If you have comment or questions regarding this video, please don't hesitate to comment your concern down below. With that being said, may I humbly request everyone to please do not hesitate to hit the like and subscribe buttons in our YouTube channel, as this will significantly support our channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day. See you in our next video.